Hello everyone, welcome to Forest Friends TV. Today's story is about bear, bird, bunny, and turtle who discover the joy of sharing and friendship in a magical forest. One bright morning, the four friends found a patch of sweet, shining berries growing in the garden. But there was one little problem. There weren't enough berries for everyone. Oh no, only 3 berries. But there are 4 of us. What should we do? Maybe we can share. They thought for a moment. Then Bear gently split one berry in half. Bunny suggested mixing them into a berry juice. Turtle offered his big leaf as a cup, and Bird flew to bring fresh water from the river. Here, now everyone can have a sip. So yummy. It tastes even better because we made it together. Sharing makes us happy. As they enjoyed their juice, the friends felt grateful, not just for the berries, but for each other. They learned that when they share, there's always enough happiness for everyone. I'm thankful for my friends. Me too. You all make my heart feel big and warm. The friends discovered that true happiness doesn't come from having the most. It comes from sharing, caring, and being thankful for each other. Now, it's your turn, little friends. What would you like to share with your friends? And how do you say thank you when someone helps you? Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Forest Friends TV for more fun and heartwarming adventures. See you next time.